In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Wi-Fi extender to your router using the WPS button. It's a quick and simple method that requires no complicated setup. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the WPS buttons. First, find the WPS button on both your router and your Wi-Fi extender. The button is usually labeled WPS or marked with the WPS symbol to arrows, forming a circle. Step 2. Position the extender near the router. Find a power outlet that's close to your router. This is important for the initial setup so the devices can connect easily. Step 3. Power on the extender. Plug in your Wi-Fi extender and turn it on. Wait for the power light to become stable and solid, which indicates the device is ready. Step 4. Press the WPS button on your router. Once your extender is ready, press the WPS button on your router. The WPS light on the router should start blinking, which means it's searching for devices to connect to. Step 5. Press the WPS button on your extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender. The WPS light on the extender will also begin blinking, showing it's trying to establish a connection. Step 6. Wait for connection. Now, just wait a few moments. Once the lights on both the router and the extender stop blinking and turn solid, the connection is successful. Step 7. Reposition your extender. Now that the connection is established, you can unplug your Wi-Fi extender and move it to a location where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Just make sure it's still within range of your router's signal. Step 8. Test your connection. Finally, check the Wi-Fi signal on your phone, laptop, or other devices to make sure everything is working properly. If the connection is strong and stable, you're all set, and that's it. Using the WPS button is the easiest way to connect your Wi-Fi extender to your router. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.